Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remodel this coffee table right here. I really don't know what happened to it. It was a gift from someone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remodel, how to get rid of all that nasty stuff on there. And here you go guys. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay guys, so I already got my mask out and we're going to use this sandpaper right here to sand off all that nasty stuff on there.
Why you presenting games? I don't wanna play. I've been on my grind, I just wanna lay down with you. Spark a doobie, hit the town with you. Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple I can wrap my head around it. Be my lady, cause you keep on around it. You see all the women in my team.
Okay guys, so once you have it all sanded down, we are going to disassemble the table and we are going to just after that, sand every single part, every leg, every side.
I'm the rarest in the deck. Call me ace of spades. Life is anything you choose, and I would choose you, babe. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you.
Okay guys, so this is how the table turned out. Those are the legs right there, and then this is how the table turned out. I think it will fall once I, turn it over, but everything is sanded. I just need to get the compressor, blow dry all the sand out because I will be taking all this inside to prime the table. Hey guys, so I finished sanding the table, as you can see behind me. I am going to show you the results of the table once I set it down. I am currently in my living room and we are going to prime the first coat on the table, and this is the next step.
Disaster. Yeah. Awful.
Okay. Nice. So next step, we are going to go ahead and prime the table and let it dry for a couple hours. I would say like 2-3 hours. Okay guys, so I finished priming the first layer of the white. I'm pretty tired now. And so I will continue doing the legs. I will prime one side, I will let it dry for like an hour or so. Hey guys, so as you can see, I have the table all finished up, all primed up, I did actually do 2 layers of white paint just because I want it to look all soft. Okay guys, so I went out to find this spatula right here. It's going to take off the little imperfections better. After that, I just, I want to go back and retouch the painting on it so it won't look bad. But I tried to use that sponge right there and it didn't work. So I needed something more, harder and something that sprays off really quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then just go ahead and tape up the table after that. Hey guys, so we are completely done with taping the whole table. I'm going to go ahead and paint the table gray.
We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world, don't be with any girl. Something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Why you presenting games? I don't wanna play. I've been on my grind, I just wanna lay down.
I'm just gonna go ahead and just get started.
Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple I can wrap my head around it.
I was noticing when I took off the tape that I'm gonna go ahead and tape it up. I'm gonna tape up the edges. And I'm gonna go ahead and paint it white again and retouch all these imperfections right here. I have this bottle since like maybe, I don't know, 5 months ago. I used it for a floating shelf and that came out pretty nice. I don't have a video, but if you want to see something like that, make sure to comment down below and I can show you guys. It was really nice and I actually put a TV on top of it and it looked like if the TV was just flying on top of the shelf. It looks pretty nice and stuff. So. Okay guys, so I am done taping. I'm going to go ahead and paint the white on it. I did save this paint from last time. I did put a bag on top of it and that helps the paint stay fresh and you don't have to be like washing your brushes and stuff like that because it's still good to use. And so I'm going to go ahead and just paint it. I'm going to be using this color right here. I have used it before a couple of times and I love it. It's like a gray glittery paint.
Wanna see ya. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come.
I'm going to go ahead and take off the tape to see how the table came out and I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it because we are completely done.
Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple I can wrap my head around it. Be my lady, cause you keep it grounded. You see all the women in my DMs, it's astounding. You ain't gotta worry about a thing, you got me grounded. Yeah, I say any truth that I wanna say. Let's appreciate our youth like it's our final days. I'm the rarest in the deck, call me ace of spades. Life is anything we choose.
Guys, so I'm completely done with this table. I am very happy with the results of it. I am happy that I was able to restore the table because it was in very bad condition. But overall, I mean, I love the detail that I put into the table.
Just give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Just give me a sign if you wanna come.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one because I will be doing a dining table in a couple of days. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you and I love you guys.